Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify full media storage issue. So, if you're seeing a full media storage error on Shopify, it means you have reached the upload limit. Here's how you can fix it. First way is deleting unused media files. Navigate to your Shopify admin page, navigate to content, then navigate to files and here delete unused images, videos and files to free up space. So choose all the images or you can also select specific images, then click on delete file button at top, click on delete. Now this will instantly delete that image and that could easily free up space on your Shopify. Now second way to do this is optimizing image sizes. So you can compress large images using tiny PNG. So type in tinypng, hit enter, navigate to tinypng.com. Now use JPEG instead of PNG for better compression. Choose to drop your images here, upload your images in this section and this will compress your images. After compressing, you can easily download your image, navigate back to Shopify and use that image for optimizing the image size. Now, third way to fix this problem is hosting large files externally. Upload large videos or PDF to Google Drive, Dropbox or YouTube. For example, I can navigate to my Google Drive, navigate to New and choose File Upload. I can easily upload any of the files that I want. For example, I just uploaded this image. Now, I will have to simply choose that image, click on Share icon, choose anyone with the link, click on Copy Link. Now, I can easily take this link and use this external link instead of direct Shopify upload for hosting large files externally. Now, I can also use Shopify's free storage apps. Install apps like File Optimizer to manage storage efficiently. In order to do that, go to settings at the bottom left of the screen. Now choose apps and sales channels. Click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now this will take you to your Shopify App Store page where you'll have to search for File Optimizer. Choose File Optimizer. Now install this application that will minify CSS, JavaScript and Liquid files to speed up your store. So after installing this, you can easily use this to optimize your files and manage storage efficiently on Shopify. Now, another way to fix this problem is upgrading your Shopify plan. So higher Shopify plan offers more storage space. So check your current plan. So in order to do this, you can simply click on settings icon at the bottom left of the screen. Now choose plan here and here you'll have to click on choose plan. Now you can choose to upgrade your plan to Shopify, Advanced or Plus in order to get more storage. Now, if your media storage is unexpectedly full, Shopify support can help with troubleshooting. After trying these steps, you should have enough storage to continue uploading your files. So that's the simple way through which you can fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.